This planet is threatened with... This planet is threatened with destruction, and we who live in it with death. The heavens reek, the waters below are foul, children die in it.
You're looking at a small portable computer called the IBM 5100. It's helping a lot of different people do their work more productively.
On January 24th, Apple Computer will introduce Macintosh. And you'll see why 1984 won't be like 1984.
Our natural responses to media and to technology are irrelevant. We cannot trust our instincts or our natural physical responses to new things. They will destroy us.
What is the essential difference between the world of nature and the world of man? A complete difference of style between the things that human beings do and the things that nature does, even though human beings are themselves part of nature.
All these technological creations are extensions of the human organism. The reproduction of the human being in this electronic way. Will we be there in any sense? Will the soul survive it? When we find out that we are electronic echoes of ourselves, being perpetuated through the ages, we shall come to the astonishing conclusion that that's what we already are.
We spent billions of dollars trying to understand the origins of the universe, while we still don't understand the conditions for a stable society.
We as humans are born from nature, we are born from the universe, yet we distance ourselves from it greatly. The unsustainable nature of this merge between humans and machines. The human is the screen. The destruction of man and the continuity of nature. Should we continue down this path and emancipate ourselves from nature, separate ourselves, we shall cease to be human. We shall see the extinction of our race.